Hello. This is going to be a little bit of a different video for me. A couple months ago, I was contacted by a company called ArtCreatLove, and they make paint by numbers. And I have not done one of these since I was a little kid, or I shouldn't say little kid, little girl. And I used to do them a lot, and I'm kind of like really intrigued by this, and I think I'm actually going to do it because this is my plan. I'm going to paint them, and I think I'm going to turn these into covers or pages of an art journal. Like, how cool would that be, right? So I could maybe do a little bit, paint it as it says, and then maybe change it up a little bit for my style. So I'm going to show you what they sent me. They also are offering a discount, 10 Tina, which is 10% off in case you want to order from them. But I got two of them here. So I'm going to put these aside. These are the paints for both of them. And let's open these up. And I'll try to share them on the screen. It's a little bit hard because these are pretty big. Let's see, this one is, let's see here. See what directions. It tells how to do it, how long the paint has to dry. If the paint is dried, add water to it. Do the light colors first. And this is what this one looks like. I just thought this was really cool. Like, this is totally different than the paint by numbers that I did when I was little. But I love that. Like, that would be really cool for an art journal cover. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this is just a piece of styrofoam that goes in here. So you can see this is pretty detailed. It's kind of hard to pick up on the camera. Let me zoom it up here. Can you see? This one is, I don't have a tape measure, but let me see if I can get my ruler out. It's approximately, let's see, 12, maybe 20 inches by 16. So yeah, 16 by 20 in size. Like, this is pretty big. So that's that one. And I'll have to check the numbers here. I don't think it listed it on this piece of paper. Oh yeah, B730. So these are the paints that come with this one, and you also get little paint brushes and then things to actually hang it up with once you frame it up. But again, I think I'm going to turn these into an art journal cover. Let me put this back on here so I don't lose that in the directions. But this is everything that I got, all the colors. You can see they're really pretty colors for that one. And then the other one, I can't even remember now which one I got. I think it was floral. So this one came with the design. Yep, these are flowers. Let me see if there's I don't have an image in here. But these were red flowers, if I remember. I just thought it was really pretty, especially if I go to this one in particular, cutting it up for a art journal cover. I might actually, oh no, it is up right side up. And so these are the paints, so you can see what the colors are. So yeah, there was a lot of reds and pinks in the flowers, and these are probably the accent colors. So this one is YHKH 106, 40 by 50 centimeters. So again, I think it's about 16 by 20 in size. It looks similar in size, but 40 by 50 centimeters. This one's not quite as detailed. I mean, there is definitely some smaller spots in here, but a lot of bigger ones. So I might try this one first just because I haven't done one in a while. But I will definitely share on my YouTube channel and on my other social media. Once I get these done, I really would love to share them with you. But again, go check out ArtCreatLove. I'll put the discount code down as well in the comment section. It's Tina10, and you'll get a 10% discount if you decide to get your own as well. But yeah, I probably won't have time to do this until the beginning of the year. I do have some other art commitments that I have to get done. But yeah, this is kind of exciting. So I hope you enjoy. See you later. Bye.